Hi! Today we're going to learn about implicit differentiation. Let's say we have to compute the derivative of 5y plus x, which is equal to 3y squared. So as we can see, we don't have this in terms of just x, or we don't have y is equal to something, which is in terms of x. So how do we compute the derivative? Well, here's where we use something called implicit differentiation. So in implicit differentiation, we treat both the y's and x's as x, but whenever we have a y and we take the derivative of that term, we have to multiply that by dy dx. So let's do that. So we have the derivative of the first term, which is 5y. So we act like the y is an x, and we get 5 times, now we have to multiply this by dy dx, because this is a y, not an x. So multiplied by dy dx, this should be up here, which is our plus, now the derivative of the next term, which is 1, but we don't have to multiply by dy dx because this is an x, which is equal to 6y dy dx. So now what do we do? Well, now we have to compute, or we have to find out what dy dx is. So we have to get it by itself. So to do that, we have to get dy dx on one side and the constants on the other side. So we can subtract 5 dy dx from both sides. So we get 1 is equal to 6y dy dx minus 5 dy dx, which is equal to 1 is equal to dy dx times 6y minus 5. This is just applying the distributive property. So now that means that dy dx is equal to 1 over 6y minus 5. So the answer to this problem is dy dx is equal to 1 over 6y minus 5. Today we learned about implicit differentiation. Thank you for watching this video.